I had 2.5 crores debt in my housing loan and 1.2 crores in personal loan. Because of all this, I was only behind the money. I was confused, I was stuck, I was frustrated, I was angry, I was blaming all others, not taking responsibility of myself. From there, today fast forwarded, I cleared all the 3.7 crores debt. The biggest win, I think this whole community and Mitesh and Indu, whatever they're given, is the way of life. Way of life is you truly can live, every power is within you, every answer is within you, every creation is within you.
Today's video is proof, yes, it is proof that manifestation works and 10 years of success is possible within 1 year. And the reason I say this is proof is because today we're going to meet on video one of our most powerful manifestation stories and examples of a gentleman called Aravind. Now, when Aravind met us for the first time, he was left with hardly any money in his bank account. And he had already invested in many types of programs and courses and nothing was working for him. This is what he said. And after joining our Platinum membership program, where the promise of the program is to help you use the power of manifestation to achieve 10 years of success in 1 year. After attending Platinum within 6 months, what happened with Aravind? Instead of me telling you, you watch him. And the reason I want you to watch this video is so that you get the inspiration that if Aravind can do this, you can also do this. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here is Aravind.
All right, so Aravind, very, very, very important. Yeah, he's matching. So Aravind is very special to me because when he joined in, Indu told me this, I didn't know this. And correct me if I'm wrong. She said, Aravind said before joining Platinum that this is the last money I have in the bank. Was it? Yeah. And whenever people say that, I'm scared. Not scared because I don't believe in them, because there's just more responsibility. And that is why nowadays Indu has started making this condition. And when people say yes to the condition, only then she allows to receive Platinum fees. And the condition she made was, Aravind, do you promise that everything Mitesh is teaching you will do? And he said, yes. She said, then I will accept your fees. What happened before that? What happened after that? I think let him tell his story. Before you joined Platinum, what was the situation at that time in terms of your financial condition as status and relationship status at that time?
Yeah, so coming to finances, I had 2.5 crores debt in my housing loan and 1.2 crores in personal loan. And after attending a wealth mastery, what I came to know is I was living a life what others want, not the life what I want. So from there, today fast forwarded, I cleared all the 3.7 crores debt and I am in
how much time?
That happened exactly in 7 months because I borrowed a value. I was holding a property just for people thinks that property is enough. But I got a clarity. The first lesson which has given me a biggest thing is a clarity. I worked on a clarity, what I actually truly wanted. The moment when I said that this is not serving what I really need, then I wanted to sell that property. That property was not selling for almost a year. And then I followed the exact blueprint. The property was sold for 5.2 crores. And first time, I had a 2.2 crores of amount in my account. Plus, I closed 3.75 crores and then 2.2 crores.
Was additional.
Was the addition. And as on today, I was just telling yesterday that I invested 3.6 lakhs. As of now, I made last 12 months in another 5 days, 3.75 crores alone with a manifestation and all using it.
Whoa.
So better than that, what is truly has given me is me and my family. We went by spending 35 lakhs for 50 days of US holiday. So that was mind-blowing because I could only able to take that decision because I was not living some other's life. I'm living my life in my standards. And even I went to US visiting a lot of people. Everyone was so jealous because they was living there for 50 years. They did not visit how many cities I visited there. So that was the freedom it has given. And coming to the career, so I was confused because I already invested more than 60 lakhs before coming to you. That's why I said, when I said I don't have the last piece of amount. So I already invested heavily, but because of all this, I was only behind the money. I was confused, I was stuck, I was frustrated, I was angry, I was blaming all others, not taking responsibility of myself. So this was the clarity I got. Then I stopped doing everything. Then what I found is problem is in me, not in anyone else. Everyone is actually showing me what I was not, something is within me which is creating all this. Then, by the way, how I joined Platinum was I attended one of the network event. The next day morning, I called. I did not watch any of his course. Directly Platinum I went. Same day. So coming to the career, so I restarted my health coaching. So far I have touched more than 1,500 people. I have a community of 150 people, and I already made 15 lakhs through Health Funnel. So the second thing is I launched my life coaching. So through life coaching, I made around 7.5 lakhs. And by the way, I charge US clients, so $3,500 for 3 months transformation.
Wow.
So I got 2 clients, purely organic. And apart from that, I learned Ho'oponopono. Coming to the how many skills I acquired, that was the best thing I attended 4 times Advanced Law of Attraction, 3 times Relationship Mastery, 4 times NLP, 3 times life coaching, and then Ho'oponopono I did 3 times. All the courses, then I became a Reiki practitioner. I completed the Reiki practitioner, and also a lot of other things, even in the DMP, all of that. And as on today, what is truly give me the confidence is, the best thing what Mitesh has truly given is emotional freedom. I can literally face anything, even if I go to zero, I know exactly what I do. That was a confidence which I got. And one of the things, the best thing in an Yang energy, I used to suppress a lot of times when my wife shouts at me, I used to keep it. The first time, from last 2-3 months, it took a lot of time to work on myself. I should able to show my anger to her, what I wanted to really say. This was like a true freedom. And because of that, our relationship is increased. She is able to feel I was taking a responsibility of the kids, which I was not doing. I used to put everything on her. The best part is I became a debt-free. I can truly financially free. I don't need to work for my basic expenses to happen. So the best part is I already had everything, but I was self-sabotaging because of the fag thing. Lifetime experiences, whatever I have, I can truly live next 30-40 years because of everything that I built. And apart from that, we built a hedging company, the investment hedging company. When I was joined, it was, we are managing 3 crores of a fund. So as on today, we are managing 10 crores of a fund.
Wow.
So we are able to generate, so the hedging fund, and we are able to help more than 5 families. They're truly financially free because of we helping them to create the income. So apart from that, the Ho'oponopono healing. So the thing that truly transformed is the more I implement myself and teach, the more I became, the things were started coming
you started healing more with
it. So especially in the healing, I started only, it's been 40 days. So I have healed more than 2,000 people.
In 40 days?
Yeah.
2,000 people in 40 days. Wow.
So yeah, I went into full on. And then so far I have a paid community of 20 people. And some of the results of my clients, the 20 years of, there is a 68 years old man. He came with a 20 years of stomach pain, and his pain gone from 10 to 2 in just one session. And he was told, why you did not been there 10 years before? I did 2 operations. I've spent so much of money in the hospital. And the second testimonial was, there was in a relationship, 2 friends were not talking for 20 years. We did the relationship release technique as part of Ho'oponopono. And the same night, that girl is called and they became friends again. 20 years ka friends. So what is truly is given, during this 45 days, my net worth has grown 80 lakhs. 80 lakhs, my only net worth. And my relationships got better. And the best part is, even though I feel everything is okay. So earlier, because of the conditioning of all the mentors and everything, I'm not being negative about him, but always you have to be positive. Thinking negative is a sin. Thinking negative is not accepted. You should not watch the TV. You should not watch the movies. I was like this for almost like 3.5 years. Right now, I accept myself exactly the way I am. I have a low moments. I get frustrated. I get angry. Sometimes I feel why I'm living. All these thoughts still come, but I process it. Instead of making and resisting myself, I live, I accept exactly whatever I am. And by the way, right now I watch same like you every day, 1 hour, time pass. I go YouTube Reels. I do in Netflixes. By the way, one of the biggest bonding from me and my wife, we watch at least 2 to 3 movies together.
Wow.
And one last thing is, what is truly is given is, I have quit my job on August 3rd. I came out of a vacation. My boss called me to that, no, Aravind, I want to meet you. So I went into his room and he said, today is next three months is your last day. I was so happy and I said, okay, this is what is taken. Then the best part is he's given 3 months ahead salary. Then I could able to plan my travel.
Advance salary of 3 months.
I got 60 lakhs as advance salary, and with that I spent 30 lakhs in my US trip.
Wow.
So yeah, that is truly what I can say is the biggest win. I think this whole community and Mitesh and Indu, whatever they given, is the way of life. Way of life is you truly can live. Every power is within you. Every answer is within you. Every creation is within you. So I'll tell you some of the things which happened. I can't even imagine. So people comes to my life. I don't go anything. For example, any problem happens anywhere, I go within. I say that what did I not do which has created this? And I don't solve anything. The moment I sit with myself, there are some of the practices I've been doing it 11 months consistently. All the 12 LOA. I do chakra meditation. I do pineal gland every day. And the more and more I go inside, the intuition power becomes more. And the biggest thing what happened after I resigned, the first 2 months was very hard because there's nothing to do. From morning to evening, I'm sitting at home, only 2 to 3 works of coaching. Then I used to feel that was the phase I really understood what platinum is, because I could truly feel every emotion, everything what was going in myself, and I was accepting myself. I was processing myself. That was a true freedom it is given. Right now, I drop my son whenever I want. I play with them whenever I want. We have our meals together. We travel together. And it's a true freedom. More than money is, I think, just a byproduct of you winning yourself. I think that's what you're given to me. So I'm so grateful.
Awesome.
I think even I invest how much of a amount, the freedom what I got in my emotions, the freedom I got for myself, the true worth I feel in myself is unbelievable. And I can truly say platinum is a way of life. If you truly invest yourself and take every single lesson, the problem is not in the courses, the problem is in us. Every single time there is stuck happens, before even I go to him, I go in to check the lesson, which lesson can help me to come out of it. That's why I hardly ask anything, because they already given everything. The question asking is something that we have not consumed everything.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. You're amazing, man. You're amazing. Amazing. Wow. What a man. What a man. Amazing. Congratulations. The best part, I think I loved what he said was, I am still imperfect. Yeah, please do. I loved that part.
I wanted to share one more thing by, I think we went to pineal gland together. That was amazing experience. I think one of the experience which I had was, I lost my wife in 2013 and I could not able to speak to her because of the pineal gland and that day. And I said that was the true blessing I could able to share. And she said, you're punishing yourself, just move on.
Wow.
So this is a message I got. I got that Angel X experience. I could able to talk to my dad, which I could not had a last word. All these things, magic happened truly because of you.
Thank you. Thank you, buddy.
You've given everything. Thank you.
Thank you for being a role model. Thank you. Thank you. Amazing. Congratulations again. Awesome.
All right. Was that an amazing testimonial? Was that an amazing story, an amazing sharing from Aravind? Yes? So are you now inspired to learn what is Platinum membership? Are you inspired to learn what is life coaching? Are you inspired to learn what is the power of manifestation and how you can also achieve 10 years of success in 1 year, how you can achieve all your goals in the area of health, relationships, career, or money? Listen, whether you want to lose weight or increase weight or heal your body from some sickness, whether you want to attract a life partner or improve your relationship with your life partner right now, whether you want to attract an amazing job or a business or a financial opportunity, anything is possible. Everything is possible in your life, provided you work on upgrading yourself as a person. But what does that really mean? Everybody keeps talking about upgrading yourself as a person. What does that really mean? That's what we teach you in the Platinum membership program. So here is my gift for you. I am giving you the first lesson of Platinum membership completely free. And in this masterclass, I'm going to show you how you can achieve 10 years of success within 1 year as if you are already my Platinum member. I'll give you 100% clarity by the end of this 90 minutes masterclass. Question is, has Aravind inspired you enough to create your own magical results? I feel you have, and I'll tell you why. If you're still listening to me, which I think you are, that's why you're listening to me, then I know you are inspired. So come on, below this video, there's a link to the Platinum Membership First Lesson Masterclass. Click on it, register for it now, put in your first name, last name, and email ID and mobile number. Make sure your email ID is correct, make sure your mobile number is correct so that you get the right information at the right place, right? And we will send you some very important emails that will get you ready. Yes, you need to even prepare yourself for something this big that is coming in your life. So register now. I will see you in the Platinum Membership First Lesson Masterclass, where I will show you how you can achieve 10 years of success within 1 year. These 90 minutes can absolutely transform your life. Whether you join Platinum Membership or not, whether you join Platinum Membership today or next week or next year, doesn't really matter. I promise you, this lesson, this masterclass will prepare you to achieve 10 years of success within 1 year. So get ready, register now. Link is below this video. I'll see you in the Platinum Membership Masterclass. Bye.